So here we have max-min problems, which are essentially, these problems are all quadratic. These kind of revenue problems tend to be quadratic. So we have to, in this case here, when we come up with solving this equation, we have to determine what the quantity we're maximizing or minimizing. Here we're maximizing revenue, so we need to come up with an equation for revenue. Okay, and the revenue equation is the price times number sold. Okay, so then to come up with the price, we need to look at the relationship. So the initial price is $35, and we're going to increase it in groups of $5. Our number sold is, we have the passengers, and we're going to decrease the passenger in groups of 150. So the equation looks like this. R is equal to, the price is starting at $35, and we're going to increase it in groups of $5. The tickets sold are going to be 3,000, and we're going to decrease it in groups of 150. Okay, so we use 150x. So there it is. Now the textbook, I think, does it slightly differently. They use this ratio, and you could use this ratio as well. However, I'm just going to use this value x and these groupings of $5 and 150. So once we have this, we have our quadratic equation. Okay, we can graph this and we can solve this. Find the maximum by looking at the graph. We can put this into the graphing form to get the vertex. We can, if it just says here the best price, we can just find the best price using Vertex formula, or we can just look at since it's in factored form, we can find the average of the two different routes to find the vertex, the x-coordinate of the vertex. So I'll do it in a couple ways. Here I'm going to just find the roots. Okay, so my roots are going to be at x equals, from here is x equals -7, -7, and from here this is going to be +20. Okay, so 20 times 150 is going to give me 3,000. So if I want to find the p-value, which is my vertex x coordinate, I just add those together, divide by 2, and I'm going to end up with 6.5. Okay, so my vertex is going to be when x is 6.5. The best price is going to be 35 plus 5 times, we solve for x as 6.5. Okay, so that's my x value at the max. Okay, so then working out the price, 5 times 6.5, that's going to be 32.5. So it's going to be $67.5. Okay, so that's going to be the best price. So we have, and the number sold, it doesn't ask for the number sold, but we'll calculate the revenue. The number sold is going to be 3,000 minus 150 times 6.5. Okay, so multiplying 150 by 6 is going to give me 975. Okay, so we're going to subtract 975, so we're left with 2,020 tickets sold. Okay, so then if I want to find out the revenue, I will just, this would be the max revenue, by the way. It's 67.5 times 2,025 tickets sold. Okay, multiply that together. We get 67.5 times 2025, and we're going to end up with $136,687.50. Okay, so that we can do it that way. We could also complete the square Okay, so if I complete the square, I'm going to end up with negative 750x squared. It's going to be negative 750, or sorry, 35. Let's do this properly. So plus, it's going to be 15,000x minus 150 times 35 is going to give me 5250. So that's 135 times 150. That's going to be x, and then plus 3,000 times 35 is going to give me $105,000. Okay, so if I want to complete the square here to find the vertex, I get 750, factor out the negative 750, 15,000 divided by 750 is going to give me 20. Oops, I think I have to combine those like terms first. So 15,000 minus 5250 is going to give me plus 9750x plus $105,000. Okay, so now I can complete the square. I'm going to factor out the 750. So 9750 divided by 750 is going to give me 13x plus blank plus 105,000. Okay, so I'm going to take half of 13 and square it. And I can get 42.25 times that by 750. So I'm going to have to make sure I add $31,687.50. Okay, so this is 105,000 here. Okay, so when we combine that together, we're going to end up with 136,000 that we wanted here. So now I've got my completed square form. It's going to be x minus 6.5 squared plus, and when we add those together, I get the same maximum that I calculated up here. Okay, so there's my completed square form. That's my graphing form. It gives me the same x value of 6.5. It gives me the same maximum here. Here we have to still calculate the price by plugging it back into the original price equation.